inform the Income Tax Department, Enforcement Directorate, as well as SIFO. Has he done that?
Now,
Is he in the opposition or is he in the ruling? You know, the whole debate looks funny to me actually, because
I'm sorry,
ruling
I
party
disagree with
made
you.
the opposition as if they are the
I disagree
ruling.
with you. He has got a right to ask the BJP to explain their position.
no, but why does he not ask the
he has got a
NCP?
right
He
to
must
ask the
first
BJP.
complain to the Income Tax Department.
Sanjay, 1 minute.
You
Sanjay,
are in the ruling.
Sanjay, my information is...
Arnab.
No, 1 minute,
Arnab,
Sanjay.
Whoever is talking, ask them to understand what I am telling.
That is Sanjay Jha of the Congress party.
No, Arnab, I fully endorse Professor Vaidyanathan's view.
Let him speak for
I
himself.
fully
We'll
endorse
open the
Professor
debate. 1 minute.
Vaidyanathan's view.
Okay.
He is absolutely right.
let me-
You
Now,
are
that's all right,
ruling,
but let him
it is
speak.
your responsibility to deliver good governance.
Let me finish.
Let him finish.
Let
You
me
are
finish.
in ruling,
Now-
it is your responsibility
Yes.
to ensure that the governance is delivered fairly and properly.
No, let me
if Mr.
finish.
Kapil Sibal failed so
me
that there was
finish.
some unaccounted money going into a particular activity, he is armed with Directorate of Intelligence,
Dr.
he is armed with
Vyas.
the Income Tax Department.
Dr. Vyas.
Without
finish.
telling them, without
Dr.
complaining
Vyas,
them,
since you
without telling
appreciate-
his fellow minister, he
No,
goes to the media and talks
I must
something
be asked.
which is out of his immediate
No, first of all, 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute. First of all, 1 minute. Please,
This is
please,
unbecoming
Professor.
of a minister.
First of all, Professor, I request you,
I would like to
Jainarayan Vyas, not to interrupt the person whose points you are appreciating. That's one. The person whose points you
You
are
said it
appreciating.
is free for all, Arnab. Now you are changing the rules of the game.
I am not, sir, 1 second. There is a difference between an open debate and a free-for-all. If you think
Let
an
me
open
finish.
debate is a free-for-all, there's a slight difference between the two. After the debate, I'll call you up and I'll
I
tell you
thought
the difference.
the way you
Professor
was being conducted, it was free for all.
No, please. If you want to make it a free-for-all, I'll stop you from making it a free-for-all. Now, please complete your point, Professor Vaidyanathan. By the way, Congress party tops the list of
Not on
parties
the eve of Diwali,
getting
Arnab.
1,951.07 crore rupees or 82.5% in anonymous donations. That's all. I'm just making a
No.
point, Professor.
Most important, I think the
Arnab,
most
can I answer
important
your
thing
question
which is
there very
forgive.
quickly? If you
No. The question goes to Professor Vaidyanathan, then you debate it.
debated the issue of
I want to finish.
Let him finish the debate. Let him finish his point. Then you can come back.
I want to
Sanjay.
finish.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, fair enough.
Kapil Sibal must resign because he has completely abdicated his responsibility as the legal minister of this country. First, he should go to the income tax and file a complaint. Not behave like a Dehati Aurat coming to the press.
Oh,
and
please, let's
speaking.
keep it. Let's keep it civilized tonight, sir. Let's keep it civilized tonight, sir. Let's not get personal, sir.
No, I would like.
No. Let's not get personal
No,
on this.
I would like to.
Arnab, let me tell
No,
you,
no.
Mr.
You cannot stop me.
No, I am not stopping you. I'm just requesting you not to make it personal.
I think I'm
Yes,
going to tell
Sanjay
I must
Jha.
finish.
You have not been fair to the viewers of Newshour. You need to tell the people watching Newshour that Mr. Vaidyanathan is clearly wearing a saffron hat or whatever else. He is clearly biased. It is very obvious.
No
where his
hat or
political
anything.
preference lies.
I must be-
accuse him
I
on your
must be
channel
allowed to
today
finish.
that he
Sanjay
is
Jha,
politically
See, Arnab,
biased.
if
and
I am not
I'm
allowed to
accusing him
finish,
of
there
that.
is no
Let him
point.
disprove it.
No, 1 second. I'm putting audio down for 30 seconds. Everyone's audio down for 30 seconds. 1 second. 30 seconds. Aam Aadmi Party, 1 second. 30 seconds. 1 minute. I want to counter that. Because Sanjay Jha says I'm not being fair to the viewers of Newshour. Sanjay Jha, to you and every Newshour
I
viewer.
want to clarify
Every
one
Newshour viewer. I want to begin by saying the Newshour viewer, I'm never unfair to the viewer. I began the debate by saying that he is a professor at IIM Bangalore who leans to the right. And when I mean leans to the right, he leans to the BJP and leans to the right. So you heard that, please. Yeah. Now let him complete.
I did not hear that.
don't-
I said that.
Fair
I
enough. I
lean
didn't
to-
hear that.
I lean
take
to
that
the
back.
right side.
But Mr. Vaidyanathan, let me tell you, Mr.
No.
Vaidyanathan is
Arnab,
clearly
you are
playing.
No,
totally
first
wrong.
Mr. Vaidyanathan should
I
complete his
wasn't aware
point.
of it, so I
I-
will take that back. Thank you.
First Mr. Vaidyanathan should complete his point. Yeah.
Complete.
I want to come in here.
After Mr. Vaidyanathan, let him complete.
I
Please don't do this. Yeah.
Arnab, I lean to the right side. You should tell that.
No, I won't say that. Yeah.
See, one important thing,
Well,
I have
well, in
been
that case,
observing
it's not
election for
independent.
30
We can't
years.
use the word
Sanjay,
independent for
please.
I have been watching election for 30 years. I have never seen the level of fervor, whether you like it or not. Huge amount of people are going to watch Modi.
Okay.
Whether it will convert into votes, we don't know.
I'm not
For
asking
instance,
about that. That's
for
not.
the November 17th rally, 17th rally in Bangalore, already 30,000 people are willing to pay 10 rupee. So the question is the large crowd automatically mean black money, as Kapil Sibal tried to allege?
They are also getting the 100 rupees in envelope. The people who are willing to pay 10 rupees, they are getting 100 rupees
Most
in envelope.
important is,
Mr. Vaidyanathan, since you are a professor
Sibal,
at IIM Bangalore, can you multiply
Last
5
point.
by a crowd of 50,000?
People who are
and tell me
turning
what is
out
the aggregate
and
amount
paying
of money
10 rupees,
raised?
they have
And
already-
can you
they are
tell
getting
me
the
2,50,000
100 rupees in
can fund
envelope.
a rally? There are basic
Sibal-
fundamentals, Professor. Let's not
Sibal-
get into a spin here. 5 rupees
Sibal
for
must
50,000 or
discharge his
30,000
responsibility.
people comes to 1,50,000 rupees. It's
One
the most
second.
preposterous, absurd, and in my opinion, incongruous.
First
statement
caller,
I've
I'm
ever
taking
heard
the
from
first
any
caller in
professor.
30 seconds. No, 1 second. I say one thing. This is an
level of
austere Diwali.
fervor.
No, this is an
Arnab,
austere
this level
Diwali
of
for
fervor,
most honest
I have
Indians.
never seen.
1 second, Professor, allow me. Remember one thing, sir. It's not about how you
Allow
spend.
me to finish.
No, there has to be
This level of
politicians.
Arnab, this level of fervor, I have never seen.
Professor,
Only post-emergency I have seen this.
Professor, 1 minute.
Arnab, you must allow.
Professor, please, I request you. The point is, why are we debating this? It is only because this is an austere Diwali for most people. By the way, dear viewers, we have a lot of calls coming up and I'm going to start taking calls in 20 to 30 seconds from now, beginning with our first caller. The point is this. I don't know where the politicians get their money from. I know that most of the money are unknown donors. I don't believe, like most Indians don't believe, that the money comes from unknown donors. The money comes from known donors who may want to be unknown. And I say tonight, let all political parties take money from known donors and declare taxes on it and go for all the obvious rules and regulations that every Aam Aadmi expects. You know, this country is not exactly bursting at the seams in terms of its economy. Maybe the Sensex is. So I think politicians should be careful about splurge on all sides. I think the Aam Aadmi Party wanted to come in. I go back to Dr. Kumar Vishwas. Before that, an allegation was made by Sabir Ali. But
Arnab, I have not had a chance.
I'm coming to you after Kumar Vishwas. Kumar Vishwas, please.
गर्व और प्रसन्नता के साथ कहना चाहता हूं कि 91% से ज्यादा पैसा, चाहे छोटा पैसा मिला है हमें 17 करोड़, वो चेक से है या ऑनलाइन है, केवल 8 पॉइंट समथिंग है जो कैश से मिला है, जिसकी रसीदें काटी गई हैं। और मैं जानता हूं पूरा न्यूज आवर बीत जाएगा, तू मैं हो जाएगी। ये किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का लीडर ये नहीं कहेगा कि आज के बाद से हम आरटीआई के अंडर में आना चाहते हैं, आज के बाद से। और संजय झा नए अभी आए हैं पार्टी में, पहले वो पार्टी का पीछे से प्रचार करते हैं, उन्हें पता नहीं है 5 रुपए की मेंबरशिप से शुरू हुई थी कांग्रेस 5 पैसे, और 54 की मेंबरशिप का जुमला चलता था गांधी के जमाने में। आज इनके यहाँ 83.5% का पता ही नहीं है कि कहां पर है। इसलिए ये सब आपस में मिल मिलाकर एक कॉकस बना लेंगे और कोई नहीं आना चाहता है। हम छोटे से ही 17 करोड़ से ही 7 करोड़ से ही, लेकिन हम 1 रुपया भी नहीं लेंगे। और मैं आपके न्यूज आवर पे डिक्लेयर कर रहा हूं, जिस दिन अरविंद केजरीवाल और नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव इसका उल्टा कर देंगे, आई विल क्विट आप। मैं आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़ दूंगा, पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ दूंगा। ये संजय झा पे गट्स हो तो बोल के दिखाएं कि कांग्रेस अगर नहीं दिखाएगी तो मैं पार्टी कर दूंगा। ये साइको फैंसी करके यहां तक पहुंचना और बहस में बोलना, ये बहुत अलग बात होती है। और इस देश की सचमुच राजनीतिक शुचिता को बनाए रखने का प्रयास करना अलग बात होती है, जिसकी औकात अभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के इन लीडर
कुमार विश्वास जी,
एक मिनट, सबीर अली
देख लें, आप दूसरे को साइको फंड करते हैं, अपने घर को भी देख ले। आपने बहुत लगता नहीं है कि 25 साल से संघर्ष किया है। आप अन्ना के सीने पे सवार होकर आपने 1 साल में 17 करोड़ रुपया जमा कर लिया। बड़े दामन मत झाड़िए, बड़े दामन मत झाड़िए। अन्ना के आंदोलन में आए हुए पैसे का हिसाब आज तक आपने नहीं दिया। आज तक आपने आपने 1 साल में इतना बड़ा पैसा जमा कर लिया। मैं कह रहा हूं कि मैं आरटीआई के दायरे में आने को तैयार हूं, बात करने से नहीं, आओ हकीकत पे सामने लोगों को सामना करें।
एक मिनट, सबीर अली, ये कई सारे, you see the problem is,
सामने
the problem is,
अन्ना के आंदोलन में आए हुए पैसे को दबा के बैठकर राजनीति करोगे, नहीं चलेगा।
एक मिनट, सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं मैं एक मिनट दिल्ली में 1 सेकेंड 1 मिनट प्लीज 1 मिनट एक मिनट सबीर अली जी
सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा
सबीर अली जी let me ask you please let me ask first of all of you people want to fight like this then you don't need me please let me come into the debate please I request you ji
Arnab, this
1 minute
debate is not a great idea. I can see that.
1 minute
half the stuff that
1 minute the JDU representative is asking the Aam Aadmi Party representative a few questions. First of all, right now you said they collected 70 crores. I want to know, you have their funds with them?
I don't have fund at all.
No, 1 minute.
I am the BJP
how do you know they have 70 crores?
No, because they have collected.
Who told you?
People are saying that Delhi people.
Name the person.
As a president,
say name the person.
I can give you the numbers. More than 200 people.
Who is the person?
I don't have right now.
Call up the person right now and show me. Tell me the person you call right now.
I'm not sitting with a mobile here.
No,
right now.
tell me. Then why are you throwing charges at them? The point I'm making to you
I'm giving you the evidence.
No, where is
I'm
it?
ready. I'm confessing.
You're not
I'll give you the numbers, telephone numbers. I'll make you speak in front of the camera. I'm the Delhi president. I'm just going door to door, and they are claiming they have given the money in cash.
You see, all of you people make these charges.
No, I'm not.
Can I ask you?
I have the evidence.
You know how to handle a
I have the evidence.
One second question. Dusra sawal. Second question is, how much money? One of our viewers has sent a question to me which he wants me to ask you. Can I please? And by the way, I'm opening up to the first caller in a minute. Manoj is my viewer, and he says, how much has your party, asked the JDU representative, how much money did his party spend on Patna and the Delhi Adhikar rally?
I was there charged.
How much?
8 lakh rupees.
8 lakh rupees?
Yes.
8 lakh rupees.
8 lakh rupees. I spent it. I spent it.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing? Come, I was there. I was in charge. I was in charge. It was my money.
It was your money?
It is my money.
Your money?
Yes. It is taxpayer money. Taxpayer money.
2 lakh में हमारी करा दें.
Taxpayer money. It is my money.
General
People came by walking.
2 lakh rupees.
Mister, people came by walking. More than 4 lakhs people in Bihari.
You know, can I tell you one thing? I have some time. I have some 1 minute.
Hiring them.
Wait.
Hiring them.
1 minute. 1 minute, please. You see, the problem is, 1 minute. You see, the problem is, every political party has a standard line. People come to our rallies because they love our leader.
No.
And 1 minute, please, let me complete. Can I be allowed to complete a sentence? It's a Friday evening. Please,
go ahead.
Everybody comes to our rally because they love our leader and everybody else pays money. अब मैंने कुछ figures निकाले थे एक न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट से. इसमें कहा जाता है कि the rent of a bus between two districts is 15,000 a day, which means if you take 2,000 buses, that will be 3 crores. Then there are 7,500 small vehicles for ferrying participants within the city. Then there are private helicopters. There are private planes. I don't know how many countless SUVs are there. And then there are 10,000 volunteers. इसके अलावा जो मुझे पता चला था कि एक रैली हुई थी सितंबर में जिसमें 1000 रसोई थे. There were 1,000 cooks. There were 1,000 cooks putting रसोइये. Sorry for my Hindi. Kumar Vishwas will correct me. Which means if you look at the food bill only, the food bill comes to 2.5 to 3 to 4 crores. No, so I don't know. You had an austere rally. I don't know what you had a different kind of. You had a different rally.
Totally different rally.
Totally. Every party has a totally different
not
rally.
at all.
Our first caller tonight. Our first call. Let's see whether the viewers.
Party has a different rally.
Let's see whether the viewers accept this. Our first caller is from Chandigarh tonight. Good evening. Naresh is from Chandigarh. Naresh, go ahead. Who's your question to?
Good evening, Arnav. This is Naresh. I have a question. I do not have a question. I am just want to say that this is a sad day for democracy. I am sad to see this condition of my country when if there is something against any single party, every other party will start firing on that. If it is a common interest like RTI or anything, everybody will be on side.
That's the point. That's the point. That's the point, Mr. Jadeja. You know, I agree. That's why I'm asking the question. You point as many fingers at each other. Mr. Narasimha Rao, you point as many fingers. Everybody fight with each other. But first clean up your own house, no? Tell us where you're all getting your money from, then you fight, Mr. Narasimha Rao. But you're not doing that. Finger pointing like this doesn't make any sense.
Let me give you the perspective. When NDA was in power, I think the attempt was made, the law was amended to allow political donations to be treated as expenditure for corporate bodies. But unfortunately, even after that, this was done mainly to bring transparency in funding of elections, in funding of political parties. But even then, I think there has not been much change in the manner in which donors give their money. A large number of them do not want to be identified.
So don't take the money.
Do not want them to be
Don't take the
disclosed
money.
for the reasons,
Don't take
to
the
protect
money.
their own interests.
Oh, wonderful excuse.
We have thousands of them
You
who
can't
said we
choose
do not
your
want to be
donors.
identified by Congress government.
You
And
can't
we
choose your
refused that
donors.
money.
You
We
have
said
to
we are
elect
not going to
money
take
as
your
a
any penny.
This is not small money. This is big money. Thousands of crores of rupees. What are you saying? Our next caller.
Arnab,
But
I
the
don't want
money
to come.
is also
Arnab,
collected in very small amounts.
What
I think
small?
I can tell you in Gujarat for the election,
Arnab.
under Dhandan program, money was collected in very small amounts. In hundreds, in 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500.
Sir, I am asking you. I am asking you because Modi, Modi had claimed earlier about the over 1,000 crores spent on Sonia Gandhi's foreign trips.